In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Contacts to N8N. If you're looking to integrate your Google Contacts with N8N workflows efficiently, you're in the right place. This connection will help you automate tasks and keep your contact information updated and accessible right within your N8N environment. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring clarity and understanding at each stage. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to add the Google Contacts node to your workflow. This node serves as the bridge between your N8N application and Google Contacts, allowing data to flow smoothly. To do this, access your N8N editor and locate the panel where you can add new nodes. Look for the Google Contacts node in the list. Once you find it, simply drag and drop it into the workflow space. Position it in a spot that makes sense in your workflow structure, keeping in mind how it will connect with other nodes. Next, the crucial step is configuring your credentials. Without proper authentication, N8N won't be able to access your Google Contacts. We'll use OAuth 2 authentication, a secure and standard method to connect external services. Within N8N, you'll look for the credential type labeled Google Contacts. Select that to begin the setup process. This step is essential because it ensures that your interaction with Google Contacts is both secure and compliant with Google's protocols. An important part of configuring your credentials is specifying the right authorization scopes. These scopes determine what level of access your workflow will have to your Google Contacts. If you need to only read the contacts, a read-only scope, known as Contacts Read-Only, will suffice. It's a more restrictive access level where you can view data without making any changes. However, if your workflow requires more interaction, like adding or modifying contacts, you'll need a fuller access level, which is simply labeled Contacts. Choosing the right scope is crucial, so assess your needs carefully before making a decision. After setting the correct scopes, ensure you've given permission by authorizing the connection requested by N8N. This authorization process involves a simple pop-up where Google will ask you to confirm that you're allowing N8N to access your contacts as specified by the scopes you selected earlier. Follow the prompts and complete this authorization step. Once it's done, your credentials will be validated, and you'll see that the Google Contacts node is now properly connected. There you have it, a secure and functional connection from Google Contacts to N8N, ready to be incorporated into your automated workflow. Take a moment to test the connection by running a simple workflow to ensure everything operates smoothly. With this setup, you're all set to enhance your data management strategies using the automation power of N8N. Thanks for following along and enjoy your new streamlined processes.